In this video, I'll show you how to link phone number in OneXBet. This is simple. Subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want to show you how to create a professional OneXBet account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option. Fill in your details correctly from your surname right down to your password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LEOTV. If you use the promo code LEOTV, OneXBet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now, let's continue. So you want to link number, click on menu and then click on personal details. I want to see the option here that says phone number. You click on link. And then once you're here, put in the phone number you want to link. So once you put your phone number is correct, click on link. A code is going to be sent to that phone number, a 6-digit code. And then you input the code on the box that is going to pop up after you've completed your captcha. Once the phone number is activated, it's going to be linked to your OneXBet account.